Hello friends, wish you happy Varamahalakshmi Habba. For this festival, we'll have to prepare from 1 week earlier itself. So here I am tying the sari. Before that I have made the arrangements for background. And here I am trying to tie the sari to Goddess Lakshmi. So these things we have to do earlier, a day before of the puja, because it takes a lot of time. After that, the kalasha will be kept on the next day early morning. So this is how I have dressed up with sari for Goddess Lakshmi. And the remaining kalasha will be kept on next day morning. We can offer fruits or any homemade eatables to Goddess Lakshmi, and the favorite for Goddess Lakshmi is lemon rice, then sweet pungal, and other varieties of eatables also. So this is morning view. Early morning we do puja. We'll have to keep kalasha. Inside kalasha we'll have to put some water, turmeric, kumkum, and a few coins, flowers, and dry fruits inside the kalasha. And then place the coconut with betel leaves and flower upon that. We have to place that, we say, as mukavada, which is in silver. So that shows like Lakshmi is placed. So this is called Lakshmi Vrata. So Goddess Lakshmi will provide us good health and wealth by doing this puja. So everyone can celebrate this festival. This comes in Shravana Masa, the second Friday of Shravana Masa. And some people will keep this for 3 days. For having it on 3 days at home, we'll have to do different varieties of prasadam and offer to Goddess Lakshmi. So here I had placed it for just 1 day, because next day we were going outside, and after that we can move the kalasham. Kempu Arati is to be done by end of the puja. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.